The next type of detail component, well, the next type of region is a masking region, and you use this if you want to hide a particular portion of your geometry that you've modeled. You can use invisible lines here. For example, I could hide a large chunk of my building here. And typically you'll use a masking region when you're in elevation and you're sort of trying to hide the underside of the building, and then you're just showing the natural ground line. So in elevation you might use a masking region, and you might use a big thick line, and then you might have your sort of natural ground line doing this, and then everything underneath that basically, which is represented like representing your earth and your basement and whatnot. You can then hide all the underneath of that using the invisible line tool. So that's sort of why you might use the masking region tool. But now that we've created some 2D components here on our drawing, and some dimensions as well, if I were then to duplicate that view, this is another way of creating a new floor plan. We can duplicate a view we've already created. So if I click on duplicate view, if I clicked on duplicate, you'll notice that it's not brought any of those 2D elements with it that I just created on that level 1 plan. If I want to bring these 2D elements with it that I've created and drawn over the top of my 3D geometry here, if I right click on my level 1 plan, click on duplicate with detailing, you'll notice that now it's brought my 2D elements with it. So that's another way of generating a new floor plan. We'll go through that next week when we're placing views on sheets and learning about shadow diagrams and whatnot. Today, and then the other thing I'll quickly show you how to do is how to generate a new elevation as well.